I'm Chris Epley with Bane-Welker Equipment. I'm the demo specialist here. We're setting up our demo planter today here at Wilmington, Ohio. We got us a 2140 Case IH planter. We're installing crop kits, getting it set up for corn. I just wanted to show you how to set one up. First, we got to remove our meter. Then get our meter out. To get your meter apart, you release the two spring pins, pull it apart. So there's three pieces to a crop kit. You have your seed disc, your singulator, and your ejector wheel. Then you got to line up the little nub on the ejector wheel with the spring and clip it in just like that. To get the seed disc in, you remove the clip. You got a black side and a white side. You're going to put white side out. You got two little nubs to line up, and your gears on your seed disc, and then put your clip back in. Easiest way to put that clip in is like that. Just slide it, put it over. Then put our singulator in. We have this bracket right here and two notches on the back of the singulator. Stick it in, clip it in just like that. Put her back together. You got your nub in there in the bottom. Pivot in, put your two clips back on, slide your meter back on, lock it in, make sure your V-drive harness is over your vac tube for your meter, put it back in the clip, and plug it in. And to slide our vacuum tube back on, put your lock ring on. You now have a crop kit installed in your meter. Again, I'm Chris Epley, your demo specialist at Bane-Welker.